Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. In this video, we are taking a look at Tweek. Specifically, we're answering one simple question. Is Tweek worth using in 2026? Let's break it down. Who it works best for? Who need more control? Then I'll give you a clear verdict. This is Tweek's homepage. For those who don't have it, the link is down in the description below. Once you click on the link, it will take you to this exact same page as it is. Once you just click here, you just click sign up and you just sign up, put in your email, password, and you just subscribe to updates, or you're going to sign in with your email or with your Apple. For me, I already have an account, so I just have to log in. Tweak works best for people who think in weeks. People who like seeing Monday through Sunday in one place. Tasks are planned by day, not burned in long lists. If you enjoy deciding when work happens before you start, this planning style feels calm and realistic. Tweak may not fit everybody, but if you need advanced task control, long term project tracking, complex departments, or high flexibility workflow, this tool can feel limited. It's intentionally simple. That comes with the trade off. So you got your calendar from Monday to Sunday, and you can see that you can just keep going on and on to the weeks. So I advise a simple strategy. Write 4 to 5 things down in a simple way like this. Plan out your day before it even starts. That will give you clarity and you knowing, for example, it's Friday tomorrow. I know what I'm going to do tomorrow. I'm working on my videos. I'm doing invoices. I'm checking my team. I'm having meeting with my team. So basically, these are the things that I know I'm going to do tomorrow. And with Twig, it's so much easy because it relieves stress. If you're a person who just likes just having a simple calendar week, make sure it's simple as 4 to 5 things again so that you don't over add lists and you end up feeling overwhelmed by it. For context, this is how we approach daily execution in LemTask. Tasks are captured quickly, daily focus stays flexible, you decide what to work on, and you start immediately. This is LemTask homepage. If you don't have LemTask, the link is down in the description below. Once you click on the link, it will take you to their homepage. And as you can see, there are features, there's pricings, there's use cases, there's a lot of things. And when you want to get started, you just get started for free. It will take you here to a second phase. You just fill in your name, email, password, and you just create your account. If you have a promo code, you can also instill it right here. This is LemTask's dashboard. This is how LemTask looks like. There are so many features to help you make sure your productivity goes on, your focus stays intact, and you know what you're going to do. Even if you don't know what you're going to do, you have a place whereby you can store it and you can come back and schedule it later for certain futuristic ideas that just pop up randomly. So I just want to take you to this feature right here. If you go to the brainstorm section, as you can see, there's a whole lot of features you have on the top, but I just want to strictly focus on one simple main thing is the start voice feature. It helps you schedule your tasks efficiently and effectively without no complications at all by just starting the voice and using your voice, speaking whatever you could have written down, but this time using your voice helps you save time in terms of typing. I'll just make you two quick examples on how to use the voice section. Having a client meeting today to discuss about the proposal. Automatically, that is just added. I just extract. Once I having a client meeting to prepare about the documents. Once I just extract that, it's only a matter of me adding the dates, adding the time, how high level of a priority it is. Is this going to a certain list? You also have an option to also add it to your list. If you do have a list, it goes directly into your list just to keep it safe. So I can just say it goes to my list and I'll just add it like that. So I'll just make another one. Having a meeting with my CEO today to discuss further plans about the company. So once that is clear, I just extract. And also speaking directly that you're doing this today automatically gives it a symbol of, sound, gives it dates already to analyze that you're going to do this today. So automatically it's going to put you the date for you. So I'm just going to put that into my list. And that's how you add your tasks in your voice section. So we're going to open our view section. We're going to go to our today section. Our today section is strictly on what we are doing today. So anything that I have to do today appears here. As you can see, having a meeting with my CEO to discuss plans about about the company, having a client meeting to prepare documents. So automatically my tasks are added. When the time hits for me to execute, I just jump in and I just execute my task. Once I'm done, I just give it a tick. Or if I just want to know that I have everything securely safe, which everything is safe in LemTask, I go to my list. As you can see, I added it to my list. This is my data list so that I come into my list, I see my task. Oh, I have a meeting. Oh, I have a client meeting. Okay. I automatically prepare for it. When it's time to execute, I jump into it. When I'm done, I just execute by giving a confirmation tick that I'm completely done. So, is Tweek worth it in 2026? Yes, for people who value weekly clarity, for predictable schedules, and for planners who want simple without distraction. If you need deep control, complexity workflow, you may want something else. But if you want calm weekly planning, Twix still does its job very well.